moments when you're shy can feel really big. I get it. Sometimes I'd rather hide behind a book than start a conversation. But here's what I've learned. You don't have to be loud to be a good friend. You just have to be present. Try this. Look for one person who seems kind. Smile at them. Ask something simple, like, what are you reading? Or do you want to sit together at lunch? Friendship usually starts small. One moment, one question, one smile. And if you're nervous, that's okay. God made quiet hearts powerful too. So, what's one small step you can take tomorrow? If you want to find out how I found friends who understood me, check out the Companion Club Christiana Secret Struggle. The link's in the description.